The command line interface script field lets you upload a CLI script to set up a discovered device. When you select a device from the Discovered Devices table, the Device Properties opens. After you set the IPv4 address, accept the HTTPS certificate, and set the password of a device, you can upload the CLI script field for the selected device. To upload the CLI script, perform the following steps. First, click on the CLI script field. Drop the CLI script in the Select a File field, or click on the Select a File field, and use the file selector to find and upload the CLI script. At this example, we'll upload a script file to set SNTP client operation to on. Then click the Upload button. Now, let's look at the device configuration to check if the operation was successful. At this example, we can look at the SNTP client menu and see the operation is set to off. Then we perform a reload. And note the configuration is now set to on, as expected.